Human beings are one of an estimated 9 million species that inhabit planet Earth. As individual organisms, we have three basic requirements for survival: air, water, and food, all of which are contained on this one planet. We don't know what the landscapes will look like for future generations, but we do know that they will require these same three pillars of life for their survival. However, our current rate of consumption of Earth's natural resources is placing their survival at risk. My name is Pat Crowley, and I'm from the Colorado River watershed. It's a river that supplies drinking water for more than 30 million people and irrigates about 4 million acres of farmland. It's also a river that is over-allocated, no longer flows to the ocean, and according to American Rivers, the most endangered river in the country. The majority of this water in the West is used to grow crops for livestock production. There are, however, much more efficient ways of using our water and producing food for our civilizations. The introduction of insects into our food system could revolutionize our agricultural system's impact upon the natural environment. Insect production is far more efficient than cattle at converting plant matter into healthy, edible protein. Per gram of protein, they also use fewer water resources than animal alternatives like soy and corn, as well as requiring fewer arable acreage, and they emit far fewer greenhouse gases than our primary agricultural systems. In addition to being a very resource-efficient form of food, developing an insect-based food system is also an example of how we can begin to diversify our food supply, as well as incorporate systems of food production that are not as fragile when faced with a change in climate. A key component of this message is to establish pathways and infrastructure for a more efficient means to our food and water supply, and to develop a deeper knowledge base around a more adaptable food supply that our descendants will be able to tap into and build upon. Global environmental issues can be daunting, so individual efforts need to be focused on smaller pieces of the overall puzzle. By no means is incorporating insects into our diet a single solution to our water supply versus demand dilemmas or our food security issues, but it's one example of a proactive measure we can take that directly addresses the future of our species.